What's there? Oh, fatness. Huh? Want to start with some frisbee? Try the blue one. Yep. Sitting equals quitting. Yep, reach for it. You got it. You got it.
Okay, whenever you're ready, I'm rolling.
Sheila. We're shooting indoors from here on out. You're just.
Oh, hey, you just rolled it up.
Oh, you're gonna sniff the trash, huh? You can't play frisbee. You can't bowl. You won't chase Mr. Hot Dog. That sounds weird. Ready, Sheila? It's time to play frisbee. Come on. You. I hit you right in the dick, dude. What are you doing? You crying? You're crying. Are you quitting? So am I. But, okay, well that's a good start, but that's not going to take the pounds off. Give you all the attention now. You are a good kid. Yeah, you're a good kid.